So lesson 11 of Unit 5 is actually the very last lesson of Unit 5. So there are no new lesson notes here, so let's go right into the examples that I've chosen for you. So a line L is defined by the equation f of x equals 2x minus 3. Line M is the same as line L, but shifted 1 unit to the right. What is an equation for a function g that defines a line M? So g of x, okay, is going to be equal to f of x. Okay, so this is a horizontal shift, which means it needs to go on the inside of the parentheses, and I need to do the opposite. So 1 unit right would normally mean plus 1, but so the opposite of plus 1 is minus 1, which means I'm going to put minus 1 in the parentheses. Okay, so line M is the same as line L, but shifted 1 unit right. What is an equation for a function g that defines the line M? So to figure out the equation, I'm now going to take my f of x function, so 2x minus 3, and I'm actually literally going to plug in x minus 1. Replace x with x minus 1. So it will be 2 times x minus 1 minus 3 will be the equation there. Okay. For B, okay, line M is the same as line M, but shifted 2 units up. Okay, but shifted 2 units up. Write an equation for a function h that defines line n. Okay, so we're going to do h of x in terms of g of x. Okay, this time we're doing a vertical shift to up. So in that case, that's going to go outside, and we're not going to do the opposites. So this is going to be g of x, and then I'm going to put plus 2 outside the parentheses. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to take g of x. So g of x is 2 times x minus 1. Okay. 2 times x minus 1 minus 3 plus 2. So this will be 2 times x minus 1, and then negative 3 and plus 2 becomes minus 1. So this is now my equation for h of x. Okay. So for C, what is the relationship between f, which again, remember, was this function up here, and h? So this is going to be a horizontal shift right 1, just like we said before, and it's going to be a vertical shift down 1, because we don't have to do the opposite. So it's a horizontal shift right 1, and then a vertical shift down 1. Okay, that is the relationship between F and H right here. Okay, and that is it for lesson 11, and that is it for unit 5.